How's it going, everyone? It's GadgetsBoy and welcome to another video. So this is an unboxing of the Sony Xperia XZ2 and the XZ2 Compact, and if you haven't seen our hands-on video, links will be in the description area, so do check that out. So both the XZ2 and XZ2 Compact come with a similar packaging with the same accessories in the package itself. So you get a user manual, USB-C cable for charging and data transfer, USB-C audio adapter, although I only saw this one in the compact box, so I don't know if it's been taken out of the bigger one before it got to me, but I'm hoping that will be in the box as well when you do buy one from the retailer. So because you don't have the 3.5mm headphone jack, of course, this is very important for us, and you do get a 3-pin plug for the UK folks out there. The XZ2 and the XZ2 Compact are very similar in many ways. For example, they both have a USB-C port, a rock Snapdragon 845 processor, 4GB of RAM, 64GB of storage, which can be expanded using a micro SD card. They're both HDR compatible with upscaling as well, both IP65 and 68 water and dust resistant. Both support wireless charging, and they also both offer support for iRes audio and the new dynamic vibration system when gaming or watching videos as well. For the camera, both are rocking a 19MP rear camera, and both have a 5MP front-facing camera with 3D scanning. Both capable of 4K HDR video recording, and they both have 960 frames per second, full HD slow-mo video recording capability as well. And finally, the run on Android Oreo. Where they really differ though is when it comes to design, the screen size, and the battery capacity as well. The Xperia XZ2 has a 5.7-inch Full HD Plus display with 424 ppi, while the Xperia XZ2 Compact is a smaller version at 5-inch Full HD Plus as well with 483 ppi because of the smaller display. The Xperia XZ2 Compact is thicker and lighter, weighing 168 grams with a polycarbonate finishing, in comparison to the XZ2's glass finishing and weighs 198 grams. When it comes to the battery capacity, there's a larger 3,180 mAh cell in the XZ2 and a 2,870 mAh battery in the compact version as well. So if you prefer something that's slightly bigger and will last a bit longer, then you might want to opt for the bigger version. Anyway guys, do let me know what you think in the comment section below, and if you'd like to see any videos in particular on these devices, be sure to let us know as well. We'll be reviewing this over the next week or so, and compare the 960 frames per second super slow-mo to the S9's version, so do stay tuned for that. And in the meantime, make sure you subscribe, hit the like button as well, tell a friend to tell a friend, and see you guys in the next one.